Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, guys.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, once more, thank you very much for your to be the punctual coming and joining for this teleconference. Okay, I hope that we're still in a very good condition, guys. Well, talking about our last project or talking about our last task today, I'm going to explain about what we are going to do for this last task or project. Okay, I'm not going to burden you, but it must be done for you for this last semester. You're going to make kind of the little research. I'm going to speak about for about 30 minutes today. Then other 30 minutes are going to be used for you to interview. It could be using the video call or a teleconference. So you have about 30 minutes to interview your friends, your mom, your father, as well as your sister and brothers at home. Or if you're going to do like what I do at this moment, via teleconference is good. Okay, so I'm going to show you the slides or the presentations about what you are going to do at this moment. Yeah, I will not give you another project. It is the last time, the last project. And you are going to submit this project next week. So you still have about a couple of days to do this project. And I'm going to explain this till 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. Then for the 30 minutes left are going to be used for you to have the video call or teleconference with your friends. Okay, now what we are going to do. At the first time, please interview 10 people about their favorite music and song. Okay, as we know that at the previous meeting, we have already talked about a paraphrasing as well as missing lyric. And okay, go back to our project. Please interview 10 people about their favorite music and song as well as the reason. Use video call to help your work. Okay, I do not ask you to make to come to your friend's house then you make kind of the interview. No, I don't ask you for that. But use the video call or teleconference like what I do at this moment. You can use like what I'm doing now, no problem. Ask the member of your family before asking others. Do the research based on the examples given. I'm going to give you some examples about how to make the research and how to make the slides. Okay, what actually you are going to ask to for the interviewee. You are the interviewer and you are going to ask to the interviewee or your friends as well as your family members. And I prefer if you are going to ask to your family member. Why? Because it is not far from you, right? Okay, so I hope that you also ask to your father, your mom, your sister. And the last part is you present. I mean, you are going to send the video of your presentation about the research to and send it to my Gmail, albes020@gmail.com. Okay, and the best one will be uploaded to my YouTube channel. Okay, any questions so far before we continue to the next part or to the interview as well as to the example? It is better. It is better. I do not say it is compulsory or not, but I love it. I love that. Why? Because I will know your father, your mom, your sister, and your brother, right? Because you are going to take a picture for the one who is going to be interviewed by you. So you have to take a picture. Or if you're going to give the screen record to me, I'm really appreciate that. Okay, if you from the 10 people, 1 till 2 people are going to be screen record, it is better. Means that it is kind of evidence that you do consult interview. Just choose the one who is able to speak in English, right? I mean for the screen record, but for others, no problem whether they are able or not to speak in English. Once more, you are going to send me a video about your presentation. Okay, the presentations about the one's favorite song. So you are going to interview 10 people about their favorite song. Okay, and here is the example of the slide. Last year or a few years ago, I asked my students to make this kind of the slides, but they made it in a group and they presented at the classroom because at the time there is the problem of the coronavirus, right? So we did it at the classroom. Everybody did like what you did for the report text. Okay, so at this moment it is impossible you are going to do it in a group, so I'm going to do it individually. You're going to do it, Zalfa will do or will ask for 10 people, Alvin will ask for 10 people. And here is the group that will be one of example. I think it's very good example for the 10 science too. They have already been graduating from Al Azhar Senior High School. Okay, since this group there are 3 people, so there are 30 people. Okay, have already been interviewed with them. Okay, the first part is Manda or Alamanda interview. Alamanda interview one of the teacher in Al Azhar names Bu Isa. Okay, the thing that Bu Isa love it's Sahabat Sejati by Shell on 7, and this is the genre indie. The reason is the song is good. So once more, the question that you are going to deliver for the interview are what actually the song they love, who is the singer, and the genre of the song. It could be indie, dangdut, alternative, or the futuristic or whatever, pop, whatever, country, ballad or whatever, and the reason. You have to ask about the reason why they love to listen the song. Okay, next, Ibu Tari loves to listen Penjaga Hati by Ari Lasso. The genre is pop. The reason is because it's so deep and the song is easy to be listened. Okay, Pak Leman, he loves Dangdut by Roma Irama because the song is nice. As well as Adelina Zada, she loves a Japanese song. Yeah, Mr. Dayat love Dangdut. Can you listen what I love? The reason belongs to Miss Amy from the canteen. I think you have already known her well, right? Miss Annie. She loves Indonesia Pusaka, and the reasons she was performing for the solo vocal with the song, and it brings back memories. It's very good reason, I think. It is like one simple. I love to listen what's life like flying without wings. My love. I love to listen the kinds of the songs because it's although it has been 20 years ago, but many teenagers nowadays still love to listen it. Okay, as well as easy, it is very easy to be listened, and I learned many vocabularies or the pronunciation belongs to Ireland or the British accents. I love to listen the way they are speaking. Okay, I will show you once. Yes, this one. They are so creative. Actually, its part or its slides have already been completed with the answer. The example of the song. Okay, it's like Kalista Sekar, and actually in its part or in slide, okay, have already been completed with this music or with this song. Next is belongs to Chening. Okay, it belongs to Chening. Chening asked Kian from Social 2. Actually, she is her friend, and also I love the music. They are so creative. She is Chening. Please wear hijab for the girls. She is Chening, and Chening has brother named Sujia as well as her father and her mom. I love Chening's describing or asking about or interviewing their family members. Okay, asking to her brother, father as well as her mom. Okay, if you do that, it's very good, and I'm very appreciative. Okay, if you have already sent it to me, we will watch together. It's like what we do. Yeah, now this is the song. The song that loved by Mr. Arifuddin is the next. It's The Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. Pop. It sounds good. Okay, it is actually he is her brother. Mrs. Andesta, actually Chening's mom. Okay, she loved the song, worth it, and we're going to listen the song. Let's listen it. Okay, I think it's all of the examples of the slides. Okay, there are 30 people actually here because there are 3 people there, and or maybe you're going to listen from Mrs. Ariana Eka Wahyuni. Too Much Heaven, Biggies, Soul Pop. The rhythm is nice and makes he wants to sing a song, sing along. Okay, it's same. Ed Sheeran, Justin Timberlake, Pop. Okay, this is the last part of your presentation. It is chart. You have to make the percentage instead of the numbers of the people. You do not need to write the how many people because it's only 10 people, right? So it is better you just write the percentage. K-pop 6.6%, download 13.3%, alternative or indie 13.3%, without the numbers, because only 10 people have already been or is going to be interviewed by you, right? Okay, yeah, don't forget, once more, send to my email albest020@gmail.com. You have to record your presentation using the slide. So the first one, you make the interview via teleconference or video call, and don't forget to take a picture. And the second, you make the slide like what I have already shown you, and the last one is record it. If you think that it's very difficult to record what you are going to present, I suggest you to make like what I do at this moment. Okay, I also record what I have already presented. Okay, I record whatever I presented at this moment using fast tone, and then you just send this presentation recording to my email. Okay, before we leave and before we start to prepare for the interview or making the slides, any other question, guys, relating to this week?
Transfer kumpulin kapan?
A week later on, next week, no problem. So you have, but for this 30 minutes, because I will finish it at 9:30, right? But you are going to end my lesson at 11, means that you still have about 30 minutes to interview. Okay, but you may submit your work next week. Okay, you are going to do it for a week. Any question? If you can do it before a week, we can watch your presentation. We can use the video to be seen by all of your friends, and you will get better score comparing the one who is late to send to my Gmail. Any questions so far? An example. So please use the example for making the slides, or maybe you're going to make a very good or better slides. I hope so. To you, once more, the better will be better score. If you make it better, of course, you will get better score. Yes. I hope from 10 people you have the screen record from 1 or 2 people who are good in English. Okay, but if they can't speak in English, do not put the screen record. You're the interviewing using the good English. I suggest you to use the interview screen record, so you will get better score, of course. I will appreciate for that. I will appreciate for everything the creativity you are going to make. More creative, better score. Better slides, better presentation, of course, will be perfect in getting the score. Okay. Are there any questions before we end our presentation and we end our discussion about the last project for this semester? Hello?
Miss,
Yes?
if we have a group, like, can we make a group call, like video call
Yes, no
together?
problem. It's good. Yeah, no problem.
No problem.
Yes,
Okay.
good. Yeah. Only video call? Yeah, use the camera as well as the voice, right? Yeah, good. No problem. Video call
Okay.
or screen record. It's good for the interview. I do not ask you to meet your friends. No, it is social distancing. But if you want to do it directly, you can ask your father or mom, as well as your sister and brothers. That's all?
Okay.
Or any other question?
That's all.
Okay. Please do the interview for 30 minutes. You still have about 30 minutes till 10 o'clock before, or you can try to make the slides. Then in 1 hour, you can finish all of the project. And once more, if you're going to easy to make the recording or the video, use like what I do. I have already recorded all of our conversation now. Okay, then I will upload it to my YouTube channel. Okay, I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you for your cooperation, and thank you be on time coming to our teleconference. Okay, bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Waalaikumsalam.
Bye.
Thank you, Miss.
Yeah, bye
Thank you, Miss.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye.
Thank you, Miss.
Yeah, no worries.
Miss.